it's Benjamin from Donald's Volvo. I'm here in my civvy clothes today because it's the day of the Donald's Eco Education and Beach Clean. It's about an hour before our guests and selfless volunteers will start to arrive, so we better start setting up. We'll see you in a bit. To the beach, it was quite difficult to start finding plastic, but you have to realise that you go right up to the banks, such as this one, and as you delve deeper you see there's all kinds of bits of polystyrene and glass. It's the little nooks and crannies where it all seems to gather.